If you're looking to visit Singapore during and beyond this pandemic, then you will need to watch this video. Now, this is a device that has been issued to me by the authorities in Singapore. It contains some personal information of mine. Now, I will have to use this device to gain entry into a whole lot of places in Singapore, like tourist attractions, shopping malls, restaurants, and now even hawker centers. Now, tourists will have to gain entry into these places in a similar way. However, they will not be issued with the device. Instead, they will have to download, install, and set up the TraceTogether app on their mobile phones. And once they have done so, their mobile phones will serve exactly the same function as this in a similar manner. For more tips and guides videos like this on visiting Singapore, hit the like, subscribe, follow button, and I'll see you again.